Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDone.dll library and ISArcExtract library when you try to install a Repack game especially. Thank you Microsoft.com provide us the article and also add a user. And Orlando, an independent advisor, thank you for provide this method. And here ISDone.dll and ISArcExtract error in Windows 10 is mostly related to the installation of PC games as well as program of large size. So here, while installation, if your PC ROM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So here, you can try to increase Windows page file or virtual memory. Let's hold Windows key and Alt key and try to open ISDone.cpl. Click OK, and this is the system properties. Click Advanced and click Performance Settings and click Advanced again, and this is the virtual memory. Click Change, and here you can untick this box and click on Custom Size and fill this initial size by 400 and maximum size about 3000. Now you can restart your system and try to reinstall the game. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.